Imagine you're struggling to manage your finances. You've tried spreadsheets, apps, and even budgeting with pen and paper, but nothing seems to stick. You're overwhelmed, stressed, and unsure where your money is going. Then you hear about YNAB, a budgeting tool that's been around for years and has a reputation for helping people take control of their finances. But here's the question, can you use YNAB for free? Let's dive in and find out. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a popular budgeting tool that has helped countless people achieve financial freedom. It's known for its unique approach to budgeting, which focuses on giving you control over your money rather than simply tracking your spending. So, can you use YNAB for free? Unfortunately, no. YNAB is a subscription-based service. This means you'll need to pay a monthly or annual fee to use it. While this might seem like a downside, there are several reasons why YNAB's subscription model makes sense. Continuous development. YNAB is constantly being updated with new features and improvements. This ensures that the tool remains relevant and effective for users. Dedicated support. As a paid subscriber, you have access to YNAB's excellent customer support team. They can help you get started, answer your questions, and troubleshoot any issues you encounter. Community. YNAB has a large and active community of users who share tips, tricks, and support each other. Being part of this community can be a valuable resource for learning and growing your financial knowledge. That being said, YNAB does offer a free trial period. This allows you to try out the tool and see if it's a good fit for you before committing to a subscription. During the free trial, you'll have access to all of YNAB's features, so you can get a full sense of what the tool has to offer. If you decide to continue using YNAB after the trial, you'll need to subscribe to one of their paid plans. So, is YNAB worth the cost? That's a question only you can answer. However, many people who have used YNAB swear by it, saying that it has helped them achieve their financial goals and improve their overall quality of life. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and you're willing to invest in a tool that can help you achieve your goals, YNAB might be worth considering. So, to answer the question, can you use YNAB for free? No, you can't. YNAB is a subscription-based service. However, you can try it out for free during the trial period. If you decide to subscribe to YNAB, you'll be investing in a tool that can help you achieve your financial goals and improve your overall quality of life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.